Thank you, Allah, for the blessings that you pour near and far. In every breath and every beat, your love is my guide, my soul's retreat. Thank you, Allah, for the blessings that you pour near and far. In every breath, in every beat, your love is my guide, my soul's retreat. In the darkest nights, when I feel alone, your light shines bright. It's my guiding home. With every whisper of faith, my heart aligns. In your name I find peace, your love so divine.